Welcome. In front of me is a BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and on one of the pages we will have our screen recorder. For me, that is located on the second page right over here. When you see it, you can simply tap on it. I'm gonna agree to it, which I presume is this button. Indeed it is. And you can see it starts automatically recording. Now once you click on that circle right there, it will automatically stop the screen recording and save it to your Photos application. It also gives you a pop-up letting you view it right away by just clicking view. But I'm going to be showing you where you can find it afterwards. So you'd open up your Photos application. Those are some interesting photos. Okay. And in here, you can see we have an album called Movies. You can see it right here. So you can either tap on the name itself and this will take you to the album, or later on you will see albums, I believe, right here. You can tap on it and it will show you all the albums that you have. So in any case, from there you can just tap on it, view it, and by tapping on it, obviously it will start playing it back. Now, oops, trying to figure out which one is which. Come on. Okay, there we go. So it is recording sound by default, microphone sound, so be aware of that. So anyway, that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.